Everyone, take your hair tied in the form of a ponytail. Then insert a tight-legged rubber band or a judapin from behind and upwards. Take the lower end again, tie it in the form of pigtails and then roll it above and beyond. Repeat the same process and then secure it with a judapin or a bobby pin. Take your hair, then take the lower two sections of your hair and crisscross it, roll it, twist it upwards in the form of plaits, in the form of circle as well, and then secure it properly with your favorite Juda pin or a back pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of plaits, and then when you are done doing the plait, secure it upwards with a rubber band, and then we are supposed to take the loose ends and tie it with a clutcher, giving it a fluffy look just like this. Take your lower part as well and then give it a fluffy look. Take your hair, tie the lower end with a rubber band, make a gap, roll the rubber band above and then carefully insert it inside the back pin of the hair which you just inserted. Take your hair, comb it properly, use your index finger to roll the hair upwards and then clutch it with your favorite clutcher. Small clutchers can also do the work. Take your hair, take a roller, roll your ponytail and then again make it in the form of a circle just like this and secure it tightly with your favorite Juda pin or a back pin just like this. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail, then take the lower end of the ponytail, tie it again with a rubber band, tie the lower end again, make a gap, make your hair through that gap and then secure it with your butterfly clip. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail, take the lower end, tie it again, tie the lower end again, then along with making a gap, insert it upwards with a bobby pin. You can also decorate it with your favorite clutchers or a back pin, just like this. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, use your finger to make a Juda out of that ponytail and then roll it carefully in the form of a circle and then clutch it properly with your favorite clutcher just from behind above as your own wish. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail, insert a back pin, then take the lower end of the hair from the middle and keep inserting those kind of hair inside the back pin. Then after you are done, take all the three parts, roll it with a rubber band inside your hair just like this. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a cura and then roll it upwards, secure it properly with a 5-legged bobby pin or a back pin and then you are done. Thank you for watching.